Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I wanted to show you how to do a 1-point perspective house. So just go ahead and follow along with my step-by-step instructions. Go ahead and check out the vocabulary first so you can understand a little bit better why we want to try to draw in 1-point perspective and how it can help our drawing skills. First, I just wanted to show you all the materials that you're going to need. I have this handy dandy eraser, my pencil I'm going to be working with, and if you don't have a ruler, then just find something that has a nice straight edge to it. Like I don't have a ruler, and I use this piece of cardboard from a box that I have because it has a straight edge and it's going to help me draw straight lines. Okay, so first you want to choose a vanishing point. This is where everything is going to look like it's disappearing to. If you read the vocabulary, you will know that. Next, you want to make your horizon line. You guys have probably heard this before. I've talked about horizon lines before in the past. That is usually when we are making a landscape. So you want to make sure your horizon line is in the same area as your vanishing point there, okay? And next, our handy dandy makeshift ruler, you're going to make a diagonal line from the vanishing point over to the edge of your paper over here. We're starting to make the road that our house is going to be sitting on now and the patch of land that our house is going to be sitting on. So go ahead and complete those 3 steps. Okay, so as you can see, I have my road. I even made those little marks in between so we know that that is the road, and over here is going to be the patch of land where our house is going to be drawn. Okay, now as you can see, I have drawn basically like the basic shape of a house. This is going to be the side of our house. Now I used this to draw each side, okay? Okay, so this is where you want to really pay attention to what corners you're connecting to your vanishing point, because that's what's going to make it look like our house is going back into space and getting farther away from us. So you want to line up this corner of your house right here, okay? And you want to make sure it's in line with your vanishing point as well. So there we go. So we've connected this corner to our vanishing point. Now the house isn't going to stay like that, so don't worry. And I know that this line right here is a little bit confusing, so I'm going to go ahead and erase that because we don't need it anymore. We don't want it to look like this part of the land is going through our house, or that our house is made out of glass and we can see through, okay? Okay, so maybe now it's making a little bit more sense. I hope so. So as you can see now, this is the side of our house. This is going to be the front. Okay, so I drew this line right here to let me know where my house is going to end. So now we're going to draw the top of the roof. So you want to line up the top of the roof area right here with your vanishing point again, okay? And we're going to go ahead and draw a line right there. Okay, fabulous. So now our top of our roof is aligned with the vanishing point here. And to make the rest of this roof here, you want to line up this side and you want to scoot it back to where you stopped your house, okay? And you want to use that straight edge, whatever, using a book, a ruler, if you're lucky to have one, or a piece of cardboard, magazine, whatever. Okay, so now it's starting to look even more like a house. So we have our roof right here, the front of the house, the side of the house. So now we can get rid of all these extra lines over here. Okay, so the final part of the house that I am going to show you how to draw is the door and the window. So you are going to line up your straight edge with the vanishing point again, because because we don't want the door and the window to look like they're hanging off the house. We want to look like they're set on the house there. So we're just following the top of the door and the window, and then the bottom of the door and the window to the vanishing point, okay? So I have done that, and I am just going to finish sketching a basic window and a door right there for your house. And then any extra lines that you might have, like the top of these right here, you can go ahead and erase. And then everything else is up to you guys. You can add flowers over here, or rocks, or animals all over the place, or maybe you want to make a nice sunset, or maybe it's nighttime in your drawing. So you could draw a moon and some stars, maybe a wolf. Not sure where your house is going to be set. You could try to draw other buildings around it if you wanted to, but just have fun. And if you wanted to just basically just try drawing the house, that's fine too. Okay? Hope you guys are doing well, and stay safe.